Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Which article of the Indian Constitution prescribes eligibility condition for re-elections to the post of the President of India? Options are Article 52, Article 54, Article 55 and Article 57. Right option is option number D, Article 57. Article 57 describes the eligibility for re-elections to the post of President of India. It provides a person who holds or who has held the office of presidential subject to the other provisions of this constitution be eligible for re-elections to that office. So next question is, if there is any dispute regarding the presidential elections, it can be referred to Attorney General of India, Parliament, Supreme Court of India, none of the above. Right option is option number C, Supreme Court of India. Okay, so next question is, which of the following president was appeared before Supreme Court when Supreme Court was hearing election disputes of the president? Options are Dr. Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, Farakuddin Ali Ahmed and Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy and Gyani Jail Singh. Right option is option number B, V.V. Giri. So next question is, the president hold office for a term of 5 years from that on. Options are which he is elected, which is decided by parliament, which he enters upon his office, hold his office, which is decided by election commission. Right option is option number C, which he enters upon his office, hold his office. So next question is, to whom that the President of India addresses resignation: Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Vice President of India, Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister of India. Right option is option number B, Vice President of India. So next question is, to whom does the President of India submit his resignations? The Speaker of India, the Vice President of India, the Chief Justice of India, the Prime Minister of India. Right option is option number B, the Vice President of India. So next question is, the President of India can be removed from his post by the Prime Minister of India, Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India, Parliament. Right option is option number D, Parliament. So next question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution can the President be imprisoned? Options are Article 356, Article 72, 75 and Article 76 and Article 61. Right option is option number D, Article 61. So next question is, which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the imprisonment process against the Indian President? Options are Article 39, Article 60, Article 61 and none of the above. Right option is option number C, Article 61. So next question is, under which one of the following articles the procedure for removal of the President of India through the process of imprisonment has been laid down? Options are Article 53, Article 61, Article 74 and Article 13. Right option is option number B, Article 61. Under 61 on the following articles, and the procedure for removal of the President of India through the process of imprisonment has been laid down. So next question is, the President of India can be removed from office even before the expiry of the terms by the political party in power, by the Prime Minister, through imprisonment, through trial by court. Right option is option number C, through imprisonment. So next question is, by which House of Parliament imprisonment may be imposed on President? House of People, Council of States, by any House of Parliament and none of the above. Right option is option number C, by any House of the Parliament. So next question is, which one of the following has the power to initiate the motion of imprisonment of the President of India? Options are both the House of the Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right option is option number A, both the House of Parliament. So next question is, the President can be imprisoned on the ground of violating the Constitution by the Chief Justice of India, the Vice President of India, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the two houses of Parliament. Right option is option number D, the two houses of Parliament. So next question is, at least how many days of prior notice is required for the imprisonment of the President of India? Options are 7 days, 14 days, 21 days and 30 days. Right option is option number B, 14 days. So next question is, Which one of the following is a part of the electoral college of the president but not of the process of imprisonment? Options are Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assembly councils, state legislative assemblies. Right option is option number D, state legislative assemblies. So next question is the procedures of imprisonment of president of India is a quasi-judicial procedure, executive procedure, judicial procedure, legislative procedure. Right option is option number A, quasi-judicial procedure. Okay, imprisonment of the president in India is a quasi-judicial procedure. So next question is the vacant post of the president is to be filled within. Options are 90 days, 6 months, 9 months, and 1 year. Right option is option number B, 6 months. So next question is in the case of a vacancy arising from any cause other than the expiry of the term of the president in office, and elections to fill the vacancy must be held. Options are within 6 months from the date of occurrence of the vacancy, after 1 year from the date of vacancy, after 9 months from the date of vacancy, after 7 months from the date of vacancy. Right option is option number A, within 6 months from the date of occurrence of vacancy. So next question is what is the deadline to fill the occurrence of the vacancy due to death, resignations, or removal of the president in India? Options are 1 month, 9 months, 3 months, and 6 months. Right option is option number D, 6 months. So next question is for how long can the vice president act as a president when the president cannot perform his duties for reasons of death, resignations, removal, or otherwise? Options are 5 years, 1 year to 6 months, and 1 year and 6 months. Right option is option number D, 6 months. So next question is in case of the post of the president of India falls vacant due to his death, resignations, or removal from office, who will occupy that post? Options are Prime Minister, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Vice President, none of the above. Right option is option number C, Vice President. So next question is in case the post of President of India falls vacant and there is no Vice President also, who among the following would be acting President, Vice Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Attorney General of India, and Lok Sabha Speaker, and Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Right option is option number D, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. If the positions of the President and Vice President are vacant, who officiated as the President of India? Options are the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, the Speaker of Lok Sabha, none of the above. Right option is option number D, the Chief Justice of India. So next question is if in India the office of President and Vice President falls vacant at the one point of time, and the office of the President will temporarily be held by the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of Supreme Court, the Chief of Armed Force, none of the above. Right option is option number B, the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. So next question is who is the executive head of the state in India? The President, Prime Minister, Leader of the Opposite, and Chief Secretary and Government of India. Right option is option number F, the President. So next question is which one of the